Yes, the sun is shining and tomorrow is the first official day of summer. What does the season hold in store for the metals? Well, we brought back our favorite financial astrologer, Mahendra Sharma. Mahendra, good to have you back on Kitco.
My pleasure.
So Mahendra, the last time you were on was in February, and I have to say, you've been pretty good with your calls. You were looking for May 18th and 29th to be quite bearish for the metals. In fact, that's what happened. You were also looking for June and August to be a great time for the metals, and so far this week, you could be right, Mahendra, with gold hitting the key psychological level of $1,300. What are your forecasts now for the metals, and can this rally be sustained?
Yes, I was expecting weaker trend in the May and in the first week of and the second week of June until the 11th of June. But after that, I was not really expecting that huge move coming immediately because I knew that the 19th of June, the major planetary movement is taking place, and which is Jupiter. And the Jupiter controls the trend of the gold. So Jupiter changed on the 19th of June, and immediately on the 19th, we saw the huge, the $45 up move in the gold took place, and same time the silver followed gold, and the metal stocks followed both the precious metals.
And what about shorter term here, Mahendra?
If you're asking me the short term and the medium term, then shorter term I see the gold struggling to move higher, 1327 and the 1378. So I think it will going to remain a range bound in the gold prices, and the downside, I think one can take a small buying positions. Those who miss the opportunity of the buying, they can buy around between 1270 and 1280. That is the area to watch very, very closely. Definitely between the first week of August and the third week of August, the gold trend will going to remain a little bit weaker. So you investors should watch very, very closely first 3 weeks of the August.
Now, Mahendra, I know you're also calling for the end of the bear cycle for the US dollar. You're saying this happened on Thursday.
Now, I'm predicting this Jupiter changed. I'm predicting the 14 years bear cycle in USD ended yesterday on the 19th of June 2014. Yes, USD moving higher, there is no doubt about it. But definitely many will going to get concerned. The metal investors get concerned that, oh, Mahendra, the dollar is moving higher, so it may impact the gold trend. No, I don't see that happening either in 2014 or 2015 or 2016. The dollar will keep moving higher, and there will be patches when the gold will move very aggressively. Now, I think the one thing I would like to mention very, very clearly, that metal investors shouldn't expect gold to move gradually. In the next 3 years, we will be surprised that the metal will move very aggressively up and very aggressively down. So I think it will be a very interesting time for metal. And whenever it is trading sideline, it means that the most aggressive move can come and gold can move $200 to $300.
All right, Mahendra, with the time we have left, silver. Where do you see silver headed?
Yeah, the silver definitely will trade very positive compared to the gold in the coming time. I don't see much downside in the silver. In 2014, if you ask me from here to by end of the year, 2014, silver will outperform gold.
And finally, Mahendra, you were loving palladium last time you were on. You still loving it?
Yes, I love it. Investors should hold the whole trade in the palladium. It is going to the 1,000 and going higher than the 1,000. So I think I'm targeting. If you ask me my next year target, I'm targeting $1,200 to $1,300. So it is a huge move coming. Still is spending in palladium.
Okay, so $1,000 palladium by year end.
Yes, 1,000. I'm sure that it should hit $1,000 because of the way the astro indicator are indicating.
Okay, Mahendra, just before I let you go, just recapping here on the gold forecast, your key number right now, 1327?
Absolutely, 1327, and then the gold will move up and down. Metal stocks will stabilize, and they will try to find the bottoms. But I think when the Jupiter turns into the middle age, that will have a major impact on the gold prices, and that will going to happen during the middle of next year. And I'm sure about it that the gold will going to surprise each and every investor.
Some strong predictions from Mahendra today. Finally, Mahendra, who's going to win the World Cup?
My favorite is, if you ask me, not as an astrologer, but yeah, little bit astrology also involved there. But I think I like Netherlands, a team performing very, very well. So I think people can watch that team very, very closely.
Well, that's not the team I was hoping to hear, but regardless, thanks so much, Mahendra.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching our very special kickoff to summer. Hopefully it will be a great trading time for all. Thanks for watching.